Meaning of finnan.
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 finnan,
Finnan. Finnan is a type of smoked haddock that originates from Scotland. The fish is cured in salt for a short time before being cold smoked over green wood and left to mature for several months. The resulting fish has a distinctive smoky flavor and firm texture. Finnan haddock is typically used in traditional dishes such as cullen skink, a thick soup made with potatoes and onions. It can also be eaten on its own or used as an ingredient in various other recipes, adding a unique smoky taste to the final dish.